Landbank Transfer Fund to Metrobank. How to send money from Landbank to Metrobank via mobile app online. And if you're new to this channel and you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. So ngayon gamit ko yung cellphone ko and nakapag-install na rin ako ng Landbank mobile app. Kung hindi mo pa ito na-install, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. So I'll go ahead and open Landbank mobile app and tap mobile banking. And I'll log in with my user ID and password. And by the way, kung wala ka pang online account with Landbank, meron kaming ginawang video about it. You may click this I button to check that video. And ito na yung account ko with Landbank. Currently, meron akong balance na 1,675 dito. Later on, dapat mabawasan to. Depende sa amount ay transfer ko sa Metrobank. So to start with the transfer, I'll tap these 3 dots and tap transfers and choose transfer to other bank. Nag-send na raw ng OTP sa cellphone ko, pero based sa experience ko, hindi ako nakaka-receive ng OTP sa cellphone number ko. So I'll go ahead and resend the OTP via email. So I'll tap this and click OK. And i-enter ko dito yung code na na-receive ko sa email address ko. And click submit. And dito, kailangan kong piliin yung bangko na paglilipatan ng pera. So I'll look for Metrobank. Siya. And I can transfer via BankNet, InstaPay, or PesoNet. Honestly, hindi ako ganun ka-familiar sa BankNet. Hindi ko pa siya na-try before. Pero itong InstaPay and PesoNet na-try ko na. For InstaPay, real-time yung pag-transfer. Ibig sabihin, mag-reflect agad yung perang pinadala mo sa kabilang account. While for PesoNet, it may take 1 to 3 business days bago mag-reflect yung pera doon sa pinagpadalhan mo. Although hindi siya real-time or mas matagal mag-reflect, mas mataas naman yung pwede mo i-transfer. Pwede ka mag-transfer ng more than 50,000 pesos. While for InstaPay, up to 50,000 pesos lang yung pwede mo i-transfer. Sa case ko, pipiliin ko yung InstaPay since gusto ko real-time and also 500 pesos lang naman yung gusto kong i-transfer. And then here, kailangan kong i-enter yung account number na pagpapasahan ko ng pera. So, dito ko ilalagay yung Metrobank account number na yon. And for receiver name, ilagay ko dito yung owner ng bank account. And for receiver mobile number and email address, optional lang naman to. Ibig sabihin, hindi required na lagyan ng info. So, i-skip ko na lang to. Pero sa case nyo, kung gusto nyo lagyan to ng info, pwede rin naman. And for the amount, I'll enter here 500 pesos. For the purpose, palitan ko to ng savings or investment. And I'll tap submit. And here, I need to confirm all these details. Make sure na tama yung account number na pinagpapasahan nyo. Let's say, nagkamali kayo ng account number na nilagay nyo dito. Kailangan nyo pang i-report sa Landbank yung issue na yon and see kung mababalik sa inyo yung pera. And before I proceed with this, i-open ko muna yung Metrobank online account ko. So, sa akin ko rin pinasa yung pera and gusto kong ma-check kung real-time talaga yung pag-transfer. So, login lang ako sa Metrobank with my username and password. And I'll click login. So, currently, it's 2,500. So, dapat madagdagan to later on ng perang ipapasa ko from Landbank. So, balik ako sa Landbank. And I'll hit confirm. And here's the confirmation. Successful na raw yung pag-transfer. Yung receipt daw ay nasend na rin sa email ko. Merong transaction reference number dito. Mas maganda na i-save nyo or i-take note nyo yung reference number as proof of your transaction. So, balik ako sa Metrobank and 2,500. So, itap ko tong account ko and history. And naging 3,000 pesos na yung balance ko dito. Nag-reflect na rin sa transaction history yung 500 pesos na pinasa ko kanina. And that's it. Nakita natin sa video na to na mabilis mag-transfer from Landbank to Metrobank via InstaPay. If you can think of other videos na pwede namin ituro online, please let us know by providing a comment below. And please like this video if you think nakatulong tong video na to sa inyo. And also, may iba pa kaming videos about online money transfer. You can also check this. And also about money investment. You can start investing sa maliit na halaga. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye.